Okay, we're gonna check out this thing called the battle bus. So I'll just give you a little context. So we're kind of in the rural part of Macau. There are rural parts and this is one of them. So let's go check it out. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so just to give you some context, there's a cemetery right here with some pretty cool murals. So construction, and we're kind of on an empty, quiet road, and there's this thing called the battle bus. So I'm gonna go inside and check it out in a minute. Well, we can check it out right here. Look at that. Broken glass. Lots of broken glass. Okay, so across the way, you can see these little two security things right there. So this is like immigration, not immigration, but like make sure that people from China don't cross the water into, illegal into Macau. So you can see that. And over there is China, and we're over on the Macau side. So you would need a passport or a visa and all that kind of stuff. So let's go check out this battle bus. It kind of reminds me of Alaskan, that movie where the guy dies in a bus after getting food poisoning, I think. Foodberry. Anyways, let's check out the battle bus. I did see there's some broken glass, so we have to be a little bit careful. But it looks like people do come in here. Oh yeah, some of the glass looks very... It's like right there already. Huh, the stereo's still there too. Huh. Yeah, there's lots of broken glass everywhere. Well, we won't go inside then. I can already see exactly what it's like from outside anyways. So yeah, let's go check out more of this stuff. So this is basically what it looks like. Cemetery right here. And we'll just kind of walk back a little bit. And then we're going to show you the cemetery. So you can actually park in these things and go to the cemetery right here. And yeah, the battle bus is right there. So let's just kind of look in here for a second. I hear some music up there. There's a crane. Lots of cemetery stuff. And some really beautiful murals. Huh, could almost be a whole other video. Well, maybe I would call it the battle bus, abandoned battle bus, and the cemetery of Coloane. Oh, there's the guy sleeping. So, okay. Oh, that's kind of a cool looking one. Beautiful paintings. Wow. Beautiful artwork. Murals. And there's our battle bus. So let's go back and then we'll conclude our video in a second. I always thought if you saw an abandoned bus, like people might be able to sleep in it, but there's so much glass that that's definitely not the case. Pretty much every window is broken out. It looks like it's all broken inward. So somebody came in and broke it all inward. Huh, old curtain right there. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just go check it out. Okay, there's just one window and all the other windows are still there, so I guess, well, it is what it is. So let's go check out this and then we're going to conclude. And there's our view. So we're on the coastline of Macau overlooking China, and we had our battle bus and a cemetery. So hope you enjoyed that one and get sidetracked. Toma cuidado la